Of course, you want to make sure you are logged into your CapCut. And in this instance, we are using the desktop browser. So this is CapCut on the PC, and I'll show you exactly how you could do that on the PC. Now, we want to go to our videos that we want to export. So I'm going to go in my spaces here. And let's say I want to export this video right here. So I'll pick it. Let's say I've done all my edits and everything that I need to do, and I'm satisfied with it, and I just need to export it now. What you can simply do is, as you can see here to the top right, it says export. So you can simply go here and click export. And you have this menu bar that shows, which first of all shows share for a review, share as a presentation. You can also share it on social media, as you can see, and you can even schedule it now. You can also download it right here. And when you go to these three dots here, you could download it as a GIF, but you could also download your captions, whether as an SRT file or as a text file.